we have a piecewise function, and in this problem we will find these limits. When we find the limits, the equal sign actually doesn't matter. It's what happened is less than or greater than. So when it's less than -3, the function is equal to 0. When x between -3 and 3 equal or not doesn't really matter. We use this function. And when it is greater than 3, we're going to use the 3x. So now first, limit when x go to -3 from the negative, or to say from the left side. So we have -3, and it go from this side on the left side of -3. In that case, it's going to be less than -3. If it's less than -3, of course we're going to use this function. And since the function is equal to constant, the limit is just equal to 0. So that's the first one. Next, x go to -3, but from the right hand side. So -3 here, and it go from the right side. If it is the case, then x is going to be greater than -3. If it is greater than -3, we will have this part of the condition. So we're going to use this function. And since x go to -3, we're going to use -3 in for x. So we use that piece of the function, and x equal to -3 square. -3 square is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. So that limit. And next, what is the limit when x go to -3? We do not use the equal sign here to find the limit. Again, that equal sign have nothing to do with the limit. This one does not have the plus or the minus subscript, so we're going to use both of this. From the left side, it is equal to 0. On the right side, it is also 0. Since those two are the same, the limit when x go to -3 is going to be the common values of 0. Next, we have the limit when x go to 3 from the negative side. I should say from the left side. On the left side of 3, it is less than 3. If less than 3, we have this part of the condition which we use this condition, which we use this function. So it is going to be square root of 9 minus, when x go to 3 from the left side, we're going to have x equal to 3. Use 3 in for x, and we have to square. Again, 3 square is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. When x go to 3 from the right hand side, it is going to be greater than 3. And greater than 3, we're going to use that part of the function. So it is going to be 3 times x, where x go to 3, so we're going to use 3, and that is equal to 9. Now, when x go to 3, once again, we don't use the equal sign here to find the limit. What we do is, the limit from the left side is 0, the limit from the right side is 9. They are not the same. Since they are not the same, the limit, we're going to say does not exist, or just D and E, or does not exist. And that's all we do.